best stablecoin on ramps in 2026. So today we are talking about the fastest ways to move from bank money to having on-chain dollars, right? So the best crypto on-ramps for stablecoins in 2026. Bank transfers, card, and P2P. So yeah, at the end of the day, guys, stablecoins are no longer just a trader collateral. They are actually now becoming the practical bridge between bank money and on-chain economies. RWA.XYZ currently shows somewhere around the market value of stablecoins around almost the 300 billion mark. Monthly transfer volumes around 9 trillion, close to 10 trillion, roughly 251 million holders, which helps explain why the question is no longer should I use stable coins, but what is the fastest and the safest ways to get them. So that's what we're looking at today. If you want to move from bank money to stables and deploy quickly, then there are many routes that you can take that include so many different platforms, whether that's a Bybit or MEXC or KCEX, etc. All the links to those platforms will be in the description, right? So make sure you check them out. But let's dive into the list without wasting any time. The short list today, we have Coinbase as one of the best for the cleanest bank to USDC route, right? So the USDC is a stable coin issued by Circle, and it's really best for beginners, payment focused traders. Base and USDC first ecosystems and clean fiat to crypto conversions. So another platform is Kraken, which is really best for transparent funding rules and strong fiat rails. It's available in many areas in the world, and I like Kraken. Use the link in the description, guys, so you can get the best discounts and rebates as well. It's really good for clear funding documentation, bank transfer led routes, direct access to major stable coins, and a more compliant forward experience. And then you want to use liquid venues like Binance, which is said to be best for pretty much the global P2P access and local payment flexibility offering there, because it's useful in regions where exchange card support is limited or local bank rails are inconsistent. Users need merchant to merchant flexibility, and P2P is the fastest route to stable liquidity. So you can check out the links to Binance as well in the description. Bybit, which is best for users who want stable coins fast, and they want to also trade immediately, because you can use you can buy USDT through P2P trading, one-click buy, auto invest, and the Bybit card, and you can also use the convert feature on their platform. Best for traders and active market participants who want to move from fiat to USDT and straight into execution. So Bybit, the link is in the description. All these venues have been fully reviewed on decentralized.news, so make sure you head on over there as well. MEXC is fifth on our list. Best for flexible purchases in terms of the payment methods, and also altcoin heavy users, right? So it's attractive for people who really think in sequences, bank money, stable coins, having exposure to the altcoin markets and active trading. So you can use MEXC. And then number 6 on our list is KCEX, which is best for balanced exchange plus wallet routes. It's pretty much very useful if you want a familiar exchange flow and decent rail for retail funding options, and also a path to wallet-based usage after you can go on to your Web3 wallets through the KCEX ecosystem as well. So a good stablecoin strategy, in my opinion, often looks like, depending on your region, you could go from Coinbase or Kraken, to using platforms like Bybit, MEXC, or KCEX, which is a no KYC and a zero fee platform. Is definitely one of the strongest platforms I would recommend. KCEX is a good user experience, one of the fastest growing platforms that's really still flying under the radar. But guys, like I said, you can have withdrawals of ERC20 tokens and so many other networks for free effectively. So KCEX KCEX is really the best venue that I'm recommending these days. If you want to check out my full analysis and comparative examples that I've given here, then you can go check out the link in the description and you go through the entire guide. Otherwise, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.